What if your phone screen could heal itself overnight, or bridges repaired their own cracks automatically? Sounds like science fiction, but this is real. Some materials have microcapsules filled with liquid repair agents. Crack appears, capsules burst, glue-like substance fixes it. Others have reversible molecular bonds, snapping back together like tiny magnets. It's chemistry acting like biology. Real examples. 1. Self-healing concrete. Concrete mixed with bacteria produces limestone when wet. Cracks fill themselves. 2. Self-healing polymers. Slice rubber-like material, pressed together, instantly heals like skin. 3. Future phone screens. Special coatings remove scratches using heat or sunlight. Why not used yet? Cost. Expensive at scale. Speed and strength. Some heal too slowly or weaken after cycles. Manufacturing. Hard to embed capsules or bacteria in factories. Safety. Chemicals or bacteria may be toxic. Limited lifespan. Capsules or bonds eventually stop working. Nature learned to heal billions of years ago. Now we're finally catching up. The future won't just last longer. It might heal itself.